Hi, this is Krishi. This is my 8th Web Technology Lab experiment. Now here we have to create a web page for a registration and login platform. First we'll sign up and register for this page. Let's sign up here. Create a new Gmail password as so we have registered this. Now this is the display table. So the table which we have registered is displayed here using the database. Now we can log in to this page using the name is Hazel and password. With that, giving the password, we can log into this page. Now we'll see the code code to create this. First, we'll see the index code for this. So now we'll create a HTML tag, head tag, title as new user, and function as check pass. Wait, we'll create a variable as var1 equal to document get element by id, pass dot value, then var2 is equal to document get element by id, repass dot value. So if value 1, so var1 is not equal to var2, then it doesn't order that password does not match. Then it returns false. If it matches, then it returns as true. So the next is done. In the body part, we give the sign up for free text as h1 form method is equal to post action is equal to server script php, which is the next page. On submit is equal to return check pass. Username input type. Okay, we create. We have to create input box like input type is equal to text, name is equal to username, id is equal to username required. Then email address input type equal to text, name is equal to email, id equal to email. Then password as input type equal to password, name is equal to pass, id is equal to pass. It must be made it mandatory. Then the retype password, create the input type password, name is equal to repass, id is equal to repass. This is also created as mandatory. Next is input type is equal to submit, value equal to register. So that it is registered and it goes to the next page. Already user login AHR is equal to login.php. It goes to the login page. Now here we'll see that in the login page we have okay. Now when we create a PHP code for that. Now if I set dollar cookies username, then header location validation login.php, and if set dollar get set, it set dollar cookie username, then it set username is equal to, so here we assign it to the dollar username variable, then set cookie is equal to username comma username time, we give the time for the display, when else echo cookie is not set. Next is the HTML, close the PHP tag, PHP part. Next is the HTML part, head, login here, then script, function login, click document or get element by ID, then login form, submit. Then the body part we create a text like text using the h1 tag, then a form action equal to validation login dot page method equal to post, then create a label h3 username password, and create a box for that as input type is equal to text, name is equal to username, then for password input type is equal to password, name is equal to pass, and both are created as mandatory, so required is used. Then input type, we create a checkbox for that, input type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to remember, input type equal to button, value is equal to login. So a checkbox is created and a login button is also created. So on clicking that, it goes to the login page. Next is the sign up AHREF index page. It goes to the previous page. And in the data for database, we'll see the server side of that. So for connecting that, create a PHP dollar connection is equal to MySQL connection localhost root and root. Then if connection is true, echo error. If the connection is not true, then it displays error. If the connection is true, it does this. MySQL select database access lab. Then username is equal to post, email is equal to post, password is equal to dollar post, which is already given. Then enable password is equal to SHA1 inside the bracket dollar password. Then dollar query is equal to insert into user value. Then dollar username, dollar en password, and email. If result is equal to MySQL query, If result is not true, it fills as error. If the result is true, it comes as a welcome username. Thank you.